If you have ever looked at your breakfast and wished it had bunny ears, pastel swirls, or hidden chocolate eggs, this video is for you. We are about to make 5 oats recipes that are cute, creative, and taste like springtime magic in a bowl. Each recipe is packed with fiber, protein, and heart-healthy ingredients, perfect for keeping your Easter mornings festive and nutritious. Welcome to Fun Food Stories, where every bite tells a tale, and today's tale is sprinkled with Easter magic, pastel colors, and oats so cute you will gasp before you gobble. If you love recipes that are healthy, adorable, and super easy, you are about to fall in love. So grab a spoon, hit that subscribe button, share this video to your friends and loved ones, and let's hop into it. The first recipe is Easter Bunny Overnight Oats. And yes, this one lives in a jar, wears a bunny face, and hides sweet surprises inside. Start with a mason jar or any cute glass. In a mixing bowl, combine half a cup of rolled oats, 3/4 of a cup of milk of your choice. I am using unsweetened almond milk. 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt adds creaminess and protein. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, low fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir it all together, then pour into your jar. Now here comes the Easter twist. Drop in a few pastel-colored mini marshmallows or yogurt-covered raisins. I love to press them in the center, so they peek out when you spoon down. Seal and chill overnight. In the morning, top with whipped cream or coconut yogurt, some fresh berries, and 2 banana slices standing up as ears. Add a little pink candy nose, and draw whiskers on the jar if you're feeling extra crafty. Tip: want this higher in protein? Swap half the oats for protein powder, or stir in a scoop directly. For dairy-free, use coconut yogurt and oat milk. Pair it with a warm vanilla latte, or a fruity smoothie for the perfect pastel breakfast combo. And just like that, you have got breakfast and a bunny in one. Kids love this one, and it makes a darling Easter morning surprise. Now for the second recipe. Carrot cake baked oats, also known as mini spring cakes that taste like dessert and fuel your day like a champ. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. In a mixing bowl, combine half a cup of rolled oats, half of a medium-ripe banana, mashed, 1/4 of a cup of finely grated carrot, 1/4 of a cup of milk of choice, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, optional, 1 tablespoon of chopped walnuts or raisins. Stir everything together until smooth. Pour into a greased or lined ramekin or muffin tin. Bake for 25 to 28 minutes until golden and set. Let it cool slightly, then top with a dollop of vanilla Greek yogurt or cream cheese mixed with a little maple syrup. It is like frosting, but way better for you. Tip: these can be meal prepped in batches and stored in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. Just reheat and top fresh. Pair it with a spiced herbal tea or warm chai for cozy carrot cake comfort. Carrots bring natural sweetness and vitamin A, oats give you fiber and energy, and it is all wrapped up in a cozy, cake-like breakfast. Now ready for some color. The third recipe is my pastel swirl oatmeal bowl, warm, dreamy, and perfect for Easter morning photos. Cook your base oatmeal first. In a saucepan, combine half a cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of milk. Bring to a gentle boil, then simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring often. Once thickened, divide into 3 small bowls. Now for the pastel magic, we are using natural color powders. Add a pinch of beet powder or mashed raspberries for pink. Add spirulina or matcha for green. Add blueberry powder or mashed blueberries for purple. Swirl each color gently back into the base oatmeal bowl using a spoon, creating a tie-dye or swirl effect. Top with shredded coconut, pastel sprinkles, sliced strawberries, and a little Easter candy if you're feeling playful. Tip: you can also use Greek yogurt for the swirl if you want to cool it down for kids. This recipe is amazing for picky eaters. The colors make it so exciting. Pair it with a soft-boiled egg or a side of toast for balance. It is bright, warm, and full of fun. Now for the fourth recipe, and it is a showstopper. Say hello to chocolate egg nest oat cups. They are chewy, chocolatey, and look like little bird nests filled with candy eggs. These are great for brunch, gifting, or just making memories in the kitchen. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, mix 1 1/2 cups of rolled oats, 1/3 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a cup of coconut oil, melted, 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup or honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg or 1 flax egg for vegan option, 1 tablespoon flaxseed meal plus 3 tablespoons water. Let sit for 5 minutes. Mix everything until fully combined and sticky. Grease a muffin tin, then press the mixture into each cup using your fingers or the back of a spoon to create a small nest-like well in the center. Bake for 15 to 17 minutes. Let cool in the tin for 10 minutes, then gently lift out and allow to fully cool. Once cool, fill each nest with a small dollop of Greek yogurt, cream cheese, or nut butter, and top with mini chocolate eggs or jelly beans. Tip: these freeze really well. Store in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 1 month. Thaw and add toppings just before serving. They are rich in fiber and antioxidants from the cocoa, and they make a fun centerpiece too. Pair them with coffee or a smoothie for a festive mini meal. Now for our grand finale, Easter egg oats popsicles. Yes, we're turning oats into frozen treats shaped like Easter eggs. These are creamy, naturally sweet, and perfect for warmer spring mornings or afternoon snacks. In a blender, combine 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 1/4 cups of milk of choice, 1 large banana, 1/4 of a cup of plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Optional, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder for extra nutrition. Blend until very smooth. Divide into bowls and tint with natural food powders or fruit purees for pastel colors. Pour into Easter egg silicone molds or regular popsicle molds. Use a toothpick to swirl colors for a marble effect. Freeze for at least 4 to 5 hours or until solid. To release, run the bottom of the mold under warm water for a few seconds, then pop them out. Tip: add tiny bits of fruit or sprinkle granola inside the molds before freezing for added texture. This recipe is dairy-free if you use coconut yogurt and almond milk. They are refreshing, high in fiber and potassium, and so fun for kids and adults alike. Pair with nothing. Just enjoy as a wholesome, adorable grab-and-go breakfast or snack. And there you have it, 5 Easter oats recipes that are almost too cute to eat. Almost. From bunny jars and carrot cakes to swirled pastel bowls, chocolate nests and frozen egg pops, these recipes prove that oats are anything but boring. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and if you love this, please like, subscribe, and share this video with a fellow oat lover or Easter fan. And don't forget, every oat has a story. Thanks for watching Fun Food Stories. I will see you in the next delicious episode. Happy Easter and happy cooking.